Alright, let me show you exactly how I automate Instagram comments using Atoma, a browser extension hooked up to an AI model via OpenRouter. The whole thing reads profile from Google Sheet, generates humanized comment, even does some random humanized avoid detection, then logs everything back to Google Sheet. Let's get into it. Here's the Google Sheet. Each row is a profile. Instagram handle, current status, Atoma reads this top to bottom. The workflow fires up, grabs the first profile. Open the post in the browser, all automated. Now here's the part most people skip, and it's why account get flagged. Before touching the comment box, the bot does a few silly but critical things. First, it visits my Instagram profile just like a real user would browse around. Then it hover over a random element on a page. Move the mouse, pauses. Scroll the feed, views a random story. These are not random. They are calculated noise that makes the session look human to Instagram's system. Now the actual commenting Atoma takes a screenshot of post, the image, the caption, the context, and send it to an AI model via OpenRouter. There's a prompt backed in something like write a short, natural Instagram comment for this post. Sound like a real person, not a bot. Keep it under 20 words. No hashtags. The workflow wait for response. Get the text back, insert it directly into the comment box. Then submits. Done. One more thing, liking the post, but not every time. There's a conditional node here, maybe 60% probability. So it randomly likes or skips. Again, human behavior. After the comment is submitted, Atoma goes back to the Google Sheet and updates that rows. Marks it done, timestamp it. Then it moves to the next profile and repeat the whole process. That's a full workflow Google Sheet. As your database, Atoma handle the process action, OpenRouter powering the AI, and a few humanization tricks, keeping it under the radar.